In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best picture for your Sony Bravia. Now, of course, you just want to head over to the picture settings for your Sony Bravia. Use your control in order to navigate through setting, display, and then picture mode. Let's then apply the following setting. Now, the first one is going to be mainly for something like movie or Netflix. The picture mode is going to be set to Cinema or Cinema Pro. The brightness at 30 or 50. You just want to adjust this depending on your room lighting. For contrast, 90 or 95. Gamma at 0 or 2.2. Color at 50. Color temperature at warm. And sharpness at 0 or 20. Basically, you just want to keep it low. But if you're mainly using your Sony for something like gaming, you want to apply the following options right here. For picture mode, you want to set it to game, the motion flow off, clearness or smoothness is going to be off, HDR is going to be on for supported games, local dimming is high, and the auto low latency mode is going to be on. And some important adjustments, you want to set your reality creation to off or manual low, the noise reduction to off, and the smooth gradation to off. Now, of course, you only want to apply the following setting if it is available on your specific Sony Bravia model, but if not, you just want to apply the following ones that I have mentioned. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.